Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use Envato Element on Canva. So guys, open your Canva project and go to apps, this option. From the apps, search for Envato as you can see here. And after that guys, click this option Envato, and you have icon here as you can see here, this Envato, and you have photos and the icons. You can just drag this one here and you can use this. After that you can just click generate your own icon. Before you can use just click on connect account, and you can use this any month for Envato successfully without any problem guys. You can use this icon, you can use any one from Envato anymore. I hope guys this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content. You can use photo as you can see here. You have different image and picture from your design. I hope guys this video helpful. Thanks for watching.